Okay, so our class will begin. Good evening, I remember. Today we will talk about how to make huge profit. My name is Jessie, and I hope you can learn some good method from this course. Okay, so before the class, let's see the story. It's about 2 cinema tickets. A pair of married couples went back after wedding. Suddenly, they found 2 cinema tickets in an envelope under the crack, and it is about a famous movie. So the couples were happy. Then the next day, they go to see this film. However, the door is actually opened when they arrived at home, and all cabinets turned a mess. Their home has been stolen. The thief not only stole all the precious items, but also left a note on the table and said, "Now you understand." So I want to ask every member, now can you understand this story? Okay, because you know the thief is so intelligent, so clever, right? So if the couple go to see this movie, so there's nobody in the house. So it is easy to steal everything, right? So what's the story, the command? There may hide malicious trick in the judge's brilliant appearance. So we should be more cautious and grasp opportunities to allow the evil. Stock life, pie will not fall in your hands. So, no pains, no gains. Make money easily in stocks will not become reality. So we should remember, in prosperity must be careful. You must be patient in adversity. This is the stock market adage. So I hope you can remember this. It's very important for us. If you want to make some profit, we should know when to buy, when to sell, and how to filter some strong stocks. Okay, so let's see today the main contents of this course. The first one will talk about the market outlook. The next one is for present way for investors. The next one, establish complete trading system. The next one is home surveys. Okay, so let's see this one. Because you know, we mainly use technical analysis to analyze stocks. So what's the technical analysis? It includes the volume, the price, time, and space. In my opinion, I think volume and price are very important. Okay, so let's see the chart first. This is the STI index, today's point. Okay, so we know that this is the previous high point, right? So the market didn't create a new high, didn't break through. Okay, so this is about the price, and we can check by the volume. So this is the volume. If the price drop, then the volume decrease is better, right? But we can see here, the price drop, but the volume increase, so it's not good. Then we know that at the beginning of this month, we already talked to the members that the market usually go up in July and go down in August. So if the price cannot upward break through the previous high point, so they may get some correction. Okay, so let's see the time and space. So later I will show how to use time and space to analyze the market. Okay, this is the STI index. So it's about the time. We can use this function to judge where is the turning point. Okay, then we can connect the low point to another low point. Then we can get the line and know where is the turning point. Okay, so we know that if the price just touch the worker line, which means that this is the turning point. Okay, so we see here, this is the turning point, and another turning point is here. So if you see the price just touch the turning point, you should pay more attention. If the price job is not good. If the price go up, maybe it's very good. Okay, then how to use this function? If you have homely software, and you can use this method to judge where is the turning point. Okay, then we can use this one, homely time window. Okay, this is called homely time window. Then we can connect the low point. This is the low point, and to another low point is here. Then we can get the line right. The first turning point is here, almost the 19th. So this is the turning point. And we know that here is the turning point, here is another turning point. So
do you use that low point, not the other low point?
Yes, because this function is used, you should connect the low point to another low point or high point to another high point.
But the other one is lower.
You mean this one is lower, right?
No, the other one.
This one.
Yeah.
Also can. If you connect this low point, also can. Then we can connect this point to this low point. Also can. Then this is another turning point. But you can see the period is larger than previous. Okay, so you should remember this one can help us to judge where is the turning point of the index. Okay, then we can see next one, space. This is about the space. So this space we use the Fibonacci. We call it the golden section to judge where is the support and where is the resistance. Okay, so if we use this function, we should connect the low point to the high point. Then we can get the lines. Then if you see the price just touch the line, because every line has the support and the resistance for the market. So if the price just touch here, if you cannot break through, you should pay more attention. Okay, so we can use this one to judge. This is the low point, right? So this is the lowest point. We can connect the lowest point. Firstly, we should connect the golden section. Then connect the lowest point to the high point here. So we know that the price just touch the high point, but touch the resistance, but cannot break through, right? So if can create a new high, can break through, maybe the next one is here. But if cannot break through, the price may go down. So we should pay more attention to the market, to the price, whether can upward break through or not. So this is the price, this is the market. So we can use this one to judge. The next one, we can use this method to find some active stocks, some high volume stocks. So how to use this one? Firstly, we can connect the Singapore market. So we want to know which stocks has high volume and has high rising percentage. So we can use this method to find some active stocks. Then you can find some good stocks from these stocks. Okay, so
do you determine high volume? What is high volume?
High volume is the high volume. High volume.
No, what I mean is, how do you know that it's high volume? What is your reference point?
Okay, then later I will show you. Okay, so firstly, let's connect the Singapore market. Then we can click here, save. Then we can key the name, maybe S. Then click save again. Then we can click market. Then sector browse. Extract just now we saved. Extract the file just now we saved. This is the S. Then we should change the data range. We want to know how many stocks are active in this month. Okay, then we can click the data range. We can choose maybe this month, July, to until present. Okay, the first we click OK. Then we want to know which stocks are strong in this month. Okay, so then after this step, we should right-click volume. Then if we right-click volume, so we can see the first one has the highest volume, the next one, the second one, so this is the high volume, this is the range. So you can use this one to find some high volume stocks, okay? So first one, we should click this one. We right-click the rising percentage. The first one is this stock. But you know this stock is not good, it's not active, so we should check another one. The next one is called KLW. So we can see this stock. This stock, there's no volume, right? So just now I talked about the technical analysis. The volume and the price is important, okay? So we see here, during this period, there's no volume, but here, the price just upward breaks through the sideways area on high volume. So it tells us that it's better, right? Okay, so the price just breaks through, then the price go up. Then volume increase, so it's good or not? Yes, it's good, right? Okay, then whether this stock is strong or not. From this period, here is the good buy point. So if we buy here, we still can keep, right? So this is the price. Then we can see next one. This one is global income. So this one we see here. This is the stocks, but we should know that the previous high point had some resistance for the current price. Then we can see next one is this one. Then we check another one. We analyze some stocks. So this stock is good or not? Yes, this stock is strong because there's the strong stock because the trend is in the uptrend. So this stock is very active and strong. Okay, then we can use this method to judge some active stocks. Okay, then we can see this stock. Recently, this stock is so active. Okay, then we can see here. If you still have this stock, we should know where is the support and where is the resistance. So the previous high point is here. If the price cannot create a new high, so you should pay more attention to the short-term correction. Then if the price can go up again, the next sell point is here. Okay, so if you still hold these stocks, you should see whether the price can upward break through or not. So we can use this method to find some active stocks. Okay, so if you are a member, you have the software, you should use this method to find some active stocks and the good stocks, strong stocks. Okay, the next one. We will talk about why investors lost money in stocks, because we are all investors, right? The first one, 7-1 in stocks, because if the 10 investors, 7 of them will lose money, right? Then 2 of them maybe keep balance. Then only 1 can earn money in stocks. So because it depends on differences of thought. So if you want to make money, you should change your thought. The next one, their behavior is substantially the same. Focus on short-term profit and have few knowledge. Because we know we want to do some day trading. We want to earn big profit. Maybe now we buy, then later we sell. We focus on short-term profit. But if you want to make constantly money in stock market, you should focus on long-term, medium long-term. Short-term profit is not enough. The next one, not clear the market situation on how to make profit maximization and how to open position. So from this course, you will learn how to find some good trading platform and how to filter some strong stocks. This is the reasons for investors losing money. Okay, then we can see next one, reasons for losing money. The first one, we want to earn fast money. If we buy now, we sell tomorrow, we can earn maybe around 10% profit. So you always do day trading. You buy low, you sell intraday. The next one, earn maximum money. then you buy low, sell high, but it's difficult to buy low, sell high. Then the next one, earn sustainable money, keep and don't sell when lose money, then you can keep for long term. Then you are trapped, right? So this is the reasons for losing money. So if we want to make good profit, we should avoid these reasons, okay? Then this is the present way for investors. The first one, your thought. The next one, your action. Thought, whether can buy, which one we should buy. This is our concern, right? The whether can sell and the market whether can go up or not. The next one, action. If we have the thought, we should know how to act. Dare to buy when stock goes up and never catch bottom. Miss good chance to earn money and see stocks go up, then you will regret. So this is the present way for investors. Let's see this chart. This chart is interesting, okay? So why we use this chart? So if we buy this is our stock. If we buy this stock, if we bought this stock around $6, okay, if you bought around $6, then the price dropped to 9.4. So how many of you will sell it? I think nobody will sell this stock because you lose the money, right? So you will not sell. Then if you didn't sell, then the price just went up and to 14.1. Will you sell or not? Who will sell at this price? Nobody, because you also lost money. Because in the stock market, why we operate stocks? Because we want to buy, we want to make profit, right? But if we buy around $16, then now it's around $14.1. You lost the money, so you will not sell. Then the stocks started to go down again to 9.16. Will you sell or not? Of course, you will not sell because you lost money. Then the price just went up to 10.4. Who will sell at this price? If you, maybe someone of you will say that will say that I will sell, but because you know the trend, right? If you don't know the future trend at this price, you still keep the stocks. Then the price finally dropped to 4.37. Then you lost much money. So will you sell at this price or not? Maybe some of you will sell it because you cannot bear it. Then if you sell, the price starts to go up. So this is our, maybe we confront so many situations. So how to buy low, sell high. If we follow these steps to buy the stocks, it's not enough, okay? So let's see the rules in stocks. The first one, index first, stock next. So what's the index first, stock next? Then we can see this one. If we want to find some good stocks, strong stocks, okay, then we see this one. Then if we use index first, stock next, so we should compare the stocks to the index. So we see here, the index drop right, the share sideways, the index go down again, the share still in sideways. It means, what's that meaning? This means that the stock is stronger than index, so we should operate strong stocks every time. So this share is stronger than index, so we should operate these stocks, okay? Then we can see present price. The price go up, but the shares go down, so the share is strong or not. It's weaker than index, right? Then we can see next one, novel. This is novel, right? So why we should know that novel is not suitable for operation, okay? So we see here, the price, the index went up, the price go up. The index create a new high because the high point is higher than previous, but the shares high point is higher or lower. is lower. So this stock is weaker than index. So if you want to earn some profit, we cannot buy the stock like this. Okay. Then we can see next one. Then we can see this stock. This stock is strong, right? So how do you know that this stock is strong? Because we can see here, the index dropped, then the price went up. The index dropped, the price is in sideways. So this stock is stronger than index. So whatever the stock the market is in goes up or down, we should operate the strong stocks. Then we should know how to find the strong stocks. So this is about the index first, stock next. We should follow the market. Then the next one is long term first, short term next. What's the long term first, short term next? So in the Homely software, you should click period comparison. Then we know that. We see here, we know that. Okay, so this is the monthly chart, the weekly chart, and the daily chart. So we want to know whether the monthly chart is good or not, the daily chart is good or not. Okay, then you can find some function. Maybe you can use red and white circle to judge. Okay, then if you see the monthly chart is red circle, then weekly chart red circle, and the daily chart, if you see the white circle turn to the first red circle, it's the buy point because the monthly chart is good. Weekly chart is good, right? So weekly chart is good. So you can buy if the white circle turn to the red circle, it's the buy point. Okay. Then we can see next one.
How do you get the monthly, weekly, and daily chart?
You can click chart, then click period comparison. Then you can get this function. Then we can see next one. This is about the UOB, right? Okay, then we can see this stock, whether this stock is strong or not. So firstly, we should see the monthly chart. You can see the monthly chart, the red circle, right? The weekly chart, the red circle. Daily chart, red circle. So can you keep the stock or not? Yes, you can keep the stocks because monthly is good, weekly is good, daily also good, right? Okay, so when to sell? When you see the red turn to the white, and here, the weekly chart is the white circle, so you should sell quickly. Then we can see next one. We can see this stock. So this stock is strong or not? Of course, this stock is strong. Okay. So how to find it? How to judge? Okay. Then we can see the weekly chart is the red circle. It's good. Then weekly chart, red circle. Then daily chart, white or red circle. White circle. So when to buy? When you see the white turn to the red circle, and the weekly and monthly also the red circle. So here is the buy point. So you should wait and see. If you see another day, the white circle turn to the red circle, you should buy. Okay, buy for short term because it's very good. Monthly, weekly, and daily. So this is about in long term first, short term next. The next one, operate the familiar. What's that meaning? Because in Singapore market, so many stocks, hundreds of stocks, right? So if you check how hundreds of stocks, you will be puzzled. You have no time to analyze. So you should operate the familiar. Because maybe you bought these stocks before, then you know the situation, the trend, the whole trends of this stock. So you should operate the familiar. It's easy to make profit. So this is the rules in stocks. We can see next one, the winner strategy in stocks. If you buy the stocks in the uptrend, you can earn money, right? But if you buy the stocks during sideways, you will lose time. The next one, if you buy the stocks in the downtrend, you will lose money. So how to find it? So what's the trend? Trend means the direction of things development. It consists of a series of peaks and soars in turn. In the stock market, trend is the direction of price movements. There are primary trend, secondary trend, and the short-term trend. The direction of trends, upward trend, downward trend, and the horizontal direction. Okay, so how to distinguish different bottom of three trends? How to judge? Because we should know that there are three bottoms. The first one is round bottom. The next one is market bottom. The last one is retracement bottom. Okay, so how to identify, how to distinguish these three bottoms? The first one, if you see your stocks are satisfied this pattern, you should know where is the buy point. If you see the price from the downtrend to sideways, okay, then when you see the price upward break through the sideways area, this is the buy point because the trend is reversal, right? So here is the buy point. Then if you see the stocks just like this is the buy point. So we can see some examples. Just now I talk about this one. So this one we know that we can check the back pattern, right? The price is in downtrend. Then during this period, this is the sideways area. This is the sideways area. So if you see the price upward break through the sideways area on high volume, what's that meaning? Which means that you can buy because this trend is reversal. So here you should buy, you should get in. Then if you get in, you can earn some good profit, right? Okay, so this is the first one you should remember. If you see your stocks are like this pattern, belongs this pattern, so which means that you can operate the stocks. So here is the good buy point. If you see the price upward break through on high volume, so this is the buy point. Then we can see next one, the trend. The next one is like this. If you see here, because we know that this is the downtrend cause higher high, lower high and the lower low. This is the downtrend, right? Okay, so if you see your stocks is in the downtrend, you should sell quickly. You should find sell point. Okay, then the first one, this is the downtrend. So when the price just touch the trend line, you should sell. Then another one, sell. Then you can see the price is in sideways again. Then if the price fall below the sideways area, it's another sell point because this downtrend will be continued. Okay, so you should know that when you see the price is in the downtrend, every rebound you should sell because you can avoid risk. But during this period, during this trend, you only can earn small profit and lose a lot, right? So we would better not operate in the downtrend. The next one, so we see some examples like novel. So firstly, we should know that this is the downtrend, right? Because how to judge the trend is in the downtrend. The higher, the lower high and the lower low, this is the downtrend. So we'd better not buy stocks in the downtrend, okay? Because it's not good for any money. We can see next one. If you see your stocks is in the uptrend, this is the uptrend because higher high and the higher low. This is the uptrend, okay? Then if you see the price upward break through the sideways area, here is the buy point. Then the price went up, then drop again. Here is another buy point because if you see this share is in the uptrend, every correction is the buy point. So when you see the price had some correction, you should prepare to buy because the trend is good. So if you see here, then the price is in sideways. The price upward breaks through the sideways area. So this is another buy point. So it's very important for us. So you should know how to judge the trend. Then the last one is about the horizontal area, okay, horizontal area. So what's the horizontal area? Because there's no direction, okay. So how to operate? You should buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. But how to buy low, sell high? Okay, then we can see here. If you see the price just touch this support, then you can buy. Then touch the resistance, sell. Then touch the support again, is another buy point. Then if you operate stocks during the horizontal area, you earn less, earns more, lose more, okay? So we can see some examples. Then if we have some stocks, maybe we can check this stock. Like this one. So we see this stock. Firstly, we should know that this stock is in the uptrend or downtrend or sideways. Always is in sideways area, right? Okay, then we can see the price is up and down, up and down. So if you want to operate during this period, you only can earn a little, lose a little, right? Okay, then we can draw the lines. We can connect the high point to another high point, then low point to another low point. So we can see which pattern, the triangle pattern, right? Okay, so where is the good buy point? So till now, can we buy or not? Cannot, because the trend is still in sideways. So we cannot buy the stocks in sideways because it wastes the time, okay? If you waste the time, you will miss some good chance to make some profit. Then if we buy here, then when to buy, when to get in. When we see the price can upward break through the triangle pattern on high volume, maybe you have another chance to buy. Then we can compare to the index. Then the price, see whether it's strong or not. The price, the market go up, the price up. The market up, the price down. The market up, the price up. The market down, the price down. So the market up, the price in sideways. So when to get in, we should wait until the price can upward break through the horizontal, the sideways area. Okay. Then we can see next one. Okay, firstly, let's judge the trend is in the downtrend, uptrend, or sideways. Sideways. Okay, so how to judge? Because the low point is higher, but the high point is lower. So this is the sideways area. Okay, then we can draw the lines, right? This is the sideways area. So when to get in? You should wait. Maybe the price will sideways during this period. So if the price fall below, you should sell. Go up, you can buy. Okay. Then if you grasp the knowledge, the technical knowledge, maybe you can earn less, earn a lot, lose less, because you have method. So if you have few knowledge, it's easy for you to lose some money. So this is the trend, and I hope you can grasp these three methods, how to distinguish the three bottoms: the rebound bottom, the market bottom, and the retrace bottom. Okay, then we can see next one. So first, today I will teach you good functions of homely software. This function can help us to judge the trend, because just now we talk about how the trend, right? But you should know how to judge the buy and the sell point, how to judge the trend. This function is called trend expert. This mainly help us to judge the trend. Okay, then we can see the composition. So first one we should see here. This is the main line. The main line includes the green line and the purple line, okay? So if the purple line means, this line can help us to judge the medium-term trend. Then if you see the purple line is up, this is the uptrend. Green line is down, is for downtrend, okay? So Dow candlestick, this is the Dow candlestick. So if you see the Dow candlestick is red candlestick, this is the short-term uptrend. The green candlestick, short-term downtrend. Okay. So this is the trend expert. So if you want to know how to judge the trend, you should use this method. Okay. What? Because this function is based on Dow theory. So we call this candlestick is Dow theory. So we call this candlestick is Dow candlestick. Okay. Then we can see this one. The trend expert can judge the price trends because we want to know whether the trend is in the uptrend or downtrend or sideways. We can use this method to judge. So we can see here. Firstly, we should judge the medium-term trend, whether it's up or down. Then we should judge the short-term trend. So from the chart, we should judge the trend first. For the medium-term trend, it's up or down? It's up because the purple line is up. So this is the uptrend for medium term. Then we can judge the short-term trend because long-term first, short-term next. So we judge the short-term trend. When you see the Dow candlestick, green candlestick, this is for the short-term downtrend. Then the Dow candlestick is red candlestick is for short-term uptrend. Okay. So when you see the price, the medium-term trend is up. Then the green turn to the red candlestick is the buy point. Green turn to the red, green turn to the red is the buy point. Because the trend is in the uptrend, right? But maybe many members think this function is too simple to use. So I want to use some complicated functions, right? But if you should remember the more simple, the better, okay? So you should use simple method to judge. It's better for you to earn some profit. So trend expert can judge the price trend. So let's see some stocks. Then if you know this method, I think you can earn some good profit. Okay, so firstly, let's see the trend expert. How to judge? If you know that the medium-term trend is up, right? So it's good. It's good for us to catch some short-term buy profit, short-term buy point. Then we can see here. This is the uptrend, right? The medium-term uptrend. When you see the green turn to the red candlestick, can we get in or not? Yes, this is the buy point. If you buy, you still can keep because the trend is good. Then if you didn't buy here, when you see the green turn to the red again, and the purple line is up, so you can buy again. So you can catch some good profit. Then when you see green turn to the red again, you can buy again, right? Okay, so you can use this method to catch some profit. If you follow this function strictly, I think you can earn a lot, lose less. So we cannot promise every time we make profit, right? Nobody can promise. So if you use this method, you can earn more and lose less.
But this one, if the price go up, do you see the volume?
Volume is important. If we want to confirm, we can use volume to confirm. And later I will show you another function to confirm. Okay. So this is the first, this one. Then we can see novel. Why this share cannot get in? Because we see here, the trend is in the downtrend, right? It's downtrend. When you even if you see the green turn to the red candlestick, we'd better not buy because the trend is in the downtrend. But if you want to do some short rebound, if you buy here, you should sell quickly. When you see the red turn to the green, you should sell quickly, okay? Because the trend is in the downtrend. Then we can see next one. Line represents the uptrend and it is buy point when green candlestick turn to red candlestick above the purple line. So here is the buy point, here is another buy point. If you follow this method, you can earn some profit, okay? Then we can see next one, the trading system. So just now I taught all members, all of you, the trend expert, and how to use trend expert to judge the trend, to catch the buy sell point. Okay. So next one we see the trading system. If you want to have the complete trading system, you should know the filter. If you want to filter some stocks, which means that you need to buy, right? So filter, then you should buy stocks. The next one, if you hold stocks, then you should sell. You should think when to sell, right? So hold stocks compared to sell stock or sell stocks. Okay, this is the trading system. Then we see here stock picking. If we want to find some strong stocks, to choose the stocks with the bankers, we should follow the bankers, right? Okay, so how to find the shares, whether can buy or not, whether it's strong or not. Okay, this function is called multicolored dragon, which can help us to judge whether the share is strong or not. Because this one cannot help us to judge the trend, so we should compare. So this one is called multicolored dragon. The red clamp of multicolored dragon increases, which means the price keep going up. Okay, so if you see the red clamp decrease, then increase again and above 50. So which means that the trend is good. The price can keep going up. Okay, then we can see some stocks. So we find some high volume stock. First one is this stock. This stock is good or not? Then we can check by the multicolored dragon. So this one is good or not? No, because it's not active. Then we can check by another one. This one, we should know that here. Firstly, we judge the trend is in the downtrend or uptrend or sideways. Sideways, right. Then if we check this stock, we can draw the rectangle pattern, right? Okay, then we can see there's no back money inside. So which means that no, the back money didn't inflow. Okay, then we see here. When to get in, if you see the price can upward break through the sideways area and maybe the red clamp will increase, so it's good for us to buy. But now there's no buy point. Okay, then we can see next one. This one is called Specman, right? We know that Alibaba, because this is the news, right? So we see here the price. You see there's no red clamp, there's no bank money, right? So which means that for now still no bank money inside. Okay, then we can see next one. This one is called Isra. Isra is good or not? Okay, so we can see this stock drop, then go up, drop, then up, then go down again. And we can see the red clamp decrease or increase. Decrease means the bank money outflow. So we should follow the bank money. There's no bank money inside. We should know that this is not the strong stocks. Okay. So we can see next one. This one, can we get in or not? Yizong Holding. No, because the trend is still in the downtrend and there's no bank money inside. Okay, then we can see this stock. This stock is good or not? Okay, so firstly, let's see this one. This is the low point. This is another low point. Okay, so from this during this period, can you tell us that the trend is uptrend or downtrend or sideways? So we should judge by the point, right? The high point, the low point is higher, and the high point is lower. What's trend? Sideways, right?
On which low point? The other one is
Okay, so from this is the lowest point. Okay, so the next point is here or here, right? Yeah. So from because we should know, just now I already talked about the trend includes the primary trend, the secondary trend, and the daily fluctuation, right? Okay, so we should judge that by the time. If you see the primary trend above 1 year, and the secondary trend 3 weeks to several months. Then the short-term trend maybe 6 to 10 days or below 6 days. Okay, so for the medium-term trend, it's in sideways, right? For the short-term trend, so we see here, the price is like this. This is the sideways area. So this is the sideways, right? So if you see here, the price upward breaks through the sideways area and the red clamp, the bank money inflow. So it's good, okay? Then this is the bank money. Then we can see the red clamp body reaches over 25%, which means the bankers have built their positions already. So we can see here. If you see the red clamp, it's above 25. It's above 25, which means that the bankers have start to open position. Okay. So if you see the multicolored dragon is above 50, which means the bank money already finished the opening position, already control the stocks. So it's good. So we should wait until the price go up. Okay. Then now I will teach you how to buy at the bottom. Okay, so you should remember how to catch the turning point to get the bottom. So the buy point. Okay, because just now I taught the trend expert, because the trend expert can help us to judge the trend and where's the buy and sell point. And the multicolored dragon can help us to judge the the stock is strong or not. So multicolored dragon, they have 3 colors. The 3 colors. The red clamp stands for the bank money, the institution investors. The yellow color stands for the hot money, buy and sell, frequently like day trader. Then this one, the green clamp stands for the retailers. Okay, so we should see this one. If you see so many retailers inside, which means it's not good. But if you see the price, so many multicolored dragons, so many stocks, so many strong stocks, so many red clamp. So here, maybe it's good, it's strong, right? Okay, but you can see this stock. So we can see here, this one. The red clamp is below 50, right? Which means you should pay more attention to the risk, okay? Buy point. How to catch the buy low point? The first one, daily trend turns upwards at the bottom. Daily trend turns upwards at the bottom. Why we need this situation? Because if daily trend turns upward at the bottom, which means the trend is uptrend, okay? The next one, trend expert, main line becomes red color and the main line goes up. So this is the second situation. The last situation, smart money, the big money, profitable trips over 25% and can be profitable to buy. So if you see the situations, these 3 situations are all satisfied, which means you can catch this buy point, okay? So let me give you some examples. So this one. The first situation, you can see the trend is in the uptrend, right? Okay, the second situation, the purple color, right? And the purple color is up, the purple line is up. Then the Dow candlestick is red candlestick. This is the uptrend, right? Okay, then we can see here, the multicolored dragon, the red clamp is above 50. So here is the buy point. So if you find this point, you should get in quickly, okay? Then we can see next one. This one is another buy point. Okay, so how to judge? Firstly, let's see the first situation. The daily chart turns upward. Okay, so we can see the daily chart turns upward right. So the first situation is satisfied. Then we can see the second situation. The purple line is up and the down candlestick is red candlestick. This is the second situation. So we can check by the third situation. The red clamp is above 25. This is the third situation, which means that this is the buy point. So if you see the point like this, you should buy quickly, and you can earn some profit. Okay. Then we can see next one. This one is another stock. Okay. So firstly, let's see the first situation. Daily chart. Daily chart is upright. Daily trend turns upward. Okay. This is the first situation. The second situation. The purple line is up and the down candlestick is red candlestick. So this is the second situation. The third situation, the multicolor dragon, the red clamp of multicolor dragon is above 25. So here is the point. If you buy, you can earn some good profit. Okay, so this is the buy point. Then we can see next one. This is another one. So the first situation. If you see the daily trend turns upward, and we can see here, the purple line is up, and the down candlestick is red candlestick. So the third situation, the multicolor dragon, the red clamp is above 50. So this is the buy point. If you follow this buy point, I think you can make profit. Okay. Then we can see next one. This is another stock. Then we can see this stock. Then we see here, the daily trend turns upward right. Then we can see next one. The purple line is up and the down candlestick is red candlestick. So here, then the red clamp of multicolor dragon is above 50. So this is the buy point. If we see this buy point appears, we should buy quickly. We should follow it. Okay? Then I give you some examples. Then let's judge whether it's suitable for buy or not. Then we can see this stock. So this stock, can we buy here or not? The first we should see the daily fluctuation, daily trend turns upward. Good, is enough or is satisfied or not? Yes, okay, suitable. Then the next one, the purple line is up and down candlestick is red candlestick. So, yes. The next one, the red clamp is above 25. No, right. So this day can we buy or not? Yes, we can get in. Then earn some short-term profit. Then you still can keep it. Okay. Then we can see next one. So we can see this stock. Can we buy here or not? So firstly, let's see here. The first situation, the daily trend turns upward. So enough for this one. So it's good, right? Then we can see next one. The purple line is up and the candlestick is red candlestick. It's enough. Then we can see next one. The red clamp is above 50. Can we get in or not? Can we buy at this point or not? Yes, it's the buy point. Then we can wait and see. Okay? Then you can earn some profit. Okay, then we can see here. Can we buy again or not? This is another buy point. Why we said like this? Because we can see the trend is still in the uptrend. And we should catch the buy point in the uptrend. Just now I told you that if you see the buy point, the trend is in the uptrend and the Dow candlestick from green to red is the buy point. Okay, so here you can buy again. The price is around 9 cents. Okay, so till now it's already 14 cents. Okay, so you can earn some profit, right? If you earn some profit, you can sell quickly because you make money already. Then we can see next one. So this stock, can we get in, or this one? We can see next one. So let's see this stock. Can we buy here or not?
Yes.
So let's see the first situation. The first one, the daily trend turns upward. Okay, it's good, right? Then the next one, the purple is up and Dow candlestick is red candlestick. The next one, the red climb is about 25. So here is the buy point. Then if you buy another day, so you should follow this. Okay. Then we can see this is another one. So let's check some stocks. So this one is not good. Then we cannot get in. Okay. How about this one? We should wait and see because there's no buy point appears. Then we can see which one has the buy point. Okay, so let's see this one. Can we buy or not?
Yes.
This one, can we buy or not?
Yes.
So first one, let's see this one. The daily trend turns upward, right? And the green turn to the red candlestick. Purple line is up, and the red climb is around 25. Is okay, around 25. Then if you buy, then now you wait and see. Okay. Then we can see next one. This one we analyzed just now. Okay, so how about this one? Can we buy here or not? So why we see this one? This is the multicolor dragon because this is the blue chips. So there's no fake money inside for the blue chips because the price of blue chips is high, right? So if fake money want to push the price up, they need more money. So they are easy to push the small caps go up. So we can see this one. If you see there's no red cap, but there is no green color either. So which means that here we also can buy because it's enough. Okay. Then if we buy here, this is the buy point. We still keep it. Now this is the price. Then if we buy here, we keep it. We still can earn some profit, right? Okay. Then we can see this one. Then if we buy, we keep it. Then how we see this one?
What you mentioned with Singtel and CapitaLand. Singtel is more expensive than CapitaLand. Then I don't agree on the blue bar, the red bar.
Red bar. Okay, which one?
Singtel is more expensive.
This one is more expensive, right?
Yeah.
So why we see there's no, for the institution investors, it's difficult to push the blue chips up, right? But it doesn't mean that they will not operate blue chips. Okay. So why this stock is good? Because they have bank money inside, right? Because the trend is still in the uptrend. So we see this, the whole trend is good, right? But we can see this one. So we see here, the bank money is hardly to arrive to above 15, right? So if you see this is the blue chips and there's no green color, there's no red clamp, but if you see the green turn to the red candlestick, is also the buy point. Okay. Then we can see next one. This one. So this one, if there's no red clamp, right? And there's no green color. So here is the buy point. You still can keep it. Okay. So we can use this method. Then we can see this one. This one is strong, Thai bridge. Long time ago, I mentioned this stock. Okay. Then we can see this one. So where is the good buy point? Here, can we buy or not? Here. Okay, right. Then if you miss the good chance, Can we buy again? Here, can we buy again or not? Of course, because the trend is still uptrend. Then green turn to the red candlestick. We can get in. We can buy again. Okay. Then if you have this stock, here can we buy again or not? Yes, because the trend is uptrend. Then green turn to the red candlestick. We can buy. Then we still keep it. We can earn some short profit. Okay. Then we can continue our class. The next one. This is the buy point. If you buy here, you can earn some profit, right? Okay. Then just now we talk about how to catch the buy point and sell point. And now we should know, because for the complete trading system, we should know the buy point, sell point, and how to filter, how to pick some bull stocks. So how to pick some bull stocks? Then you can use the filter platform to set some filter condition. Maybe next time I will talk about the filter method in English, because there's few English classes, right? So I will talk about next time. I will talk about the the courses about filter. Then I want you to learn more. Okay, then we can see how to pick bull stocks. Then we can see this one. The first one is trend expert, weekly and daily. Green to red is enough. The first one, green to red. Then the next one, the profit chips. This is not upward breakthrough. This is more than and equal to 25, not upward breakthrough. Then if you set this few functions, then you can filter some stocks. How to set it. Then you can click filter first. The first one, we should find the 8 experts. Change the claim green to red. Means the green candlestick turn to the red down candlestick. Then the next one, we should click logical filter. Change the original indicators to MCD. Then the next one, profit chips means the red claim more than and equal to 25. More than and equal to 25. Then click add. That's enough. Then we can click filter. So let's see whether can filter some stocks or not. But if you finish the filtering, then you should check the stocks. But we cannot buy all stocks, right? So we should check by the pattern, by the functions. Okay, the first one is 40F. Okay, this is the code. So let's see whether it's good or not. Okay, the first one is this stock. So let's see this one, whether it's satisfied or not. Yes, right. But we can see here, if we buy at this price, we still keep it. So if we buy here, we cannot earn money. We just keep the same. Okay, then we can check the volume, right? So we see here, can we buy here or not? No, because the volume is not good, right? Then we can see this one. Can we get in or not? No, because the volume is so. We should, if we want to increase our accuracy, we should check by the volume. So here, it's good enough. It's good. Why we should buy here? Because the volume increase, right? So it's good. This is the confirmation. Then we can see next one. Jumbo. So this one, can we buy or not? Because the volume didn't increase, right? If the volume increase, we can buy. Then we can see next one. This one is just holding. So whether can get buy or not. The volume is also not good. Then how about this one? This one maybe is better than before, just now, because you can see the volume increase is higher than previous one. Okay, so you can use this method. Then we can see next one. This one no need to care, right? Okay, how about this one? This one. Because if we see this one, the candlestick is like this. So we should find their volume is not enough.
Would it be a breakout?
Yes, maybe today's break up. Then we should receive. Then if for myself, I will not pick this stock. Then we can see next one. This one can we buy or not? This one is best word. Last time, long time ago, it's so strong, right? Okay, then we filter this stock, whether can get in or not. So the first one, green turn to the red candlestick, right? And the daily trend turns upward. The purple is up. The red times above 25. Volume increase, right? So it's good. Then we can put into the favorite. Okay. Then this one. So this one, then you can check. If you learn this method, you can filter at home, then see whether it's enough or not. So let's see this one. This one is good or not? Maybe it's good, right? Then you should know whether can get in or not. Then you can filter, because you know this date is 25th, not today's, right? So if you learn this method, you can practice at home. Then you should know. So I repeat again, and I hope you can grasp. You all can grasp it. Okay. So firstly, we should click technique filter. Then we should click the 8 experts. Trend expert, climb green to red. This is the first situation, okay? Then the next situation is you should change to logical filter. Change the original indicator to MCD, multicolor dragon.
Sorry, can you go slower this time?
Okay. Then firstly, we should click technical filter, right? Then we click 8 experts, click climb green to red. This is the first situation. Then the next situation, we should click logical filter. Click logical filter. Then change the original indicator to MCD. Then we should find MCD. Click this one, MCD. Then the profit trips more than and equal to. Click the value. We should change the parameter 25. That's all. Then we click add. Then we click filter. It's okay. You can change the date. Maybe you should change the today's date. But today there's no data. Maybe just now didn't download. Then we can see you can practice at home. So maybe I think every member learn one method, but different result. Why? Because maybe you miss some good steps. Then you should know this one is simple and it's easy to catch. So I hope you all can grasp. Okay. Then if you finish all setting, then you just click filter. Then you can filter some strong stocks. Okay. Then let's continue. So you can use this method to pick some bull stocks. Okay. Then you check by the volume. See which one is better. So 3 principles in stock market. The first one, to know buy point. How to know the buy point? Trend. Okay, because trend is very important. Then the next one, have a plan to trade stocks. You should have plan. Maybe you should set you should plan. Maybe you want to earn maybe 20% or 10% profit in stocks. Then you should have the plan. You should follow the plan, right? Then if your plan is different, then you can change. The last one, adjust your positions. Means you should set a stop loss point, right? If you suffered a great loss, maybe 7%, below 10%, it's easy to stop loss, but above 10%, it's difficult, right? So you should set stop loss point. If you lose some money, you just hit the stop loss point, you should sell. No need to hesitate, okay? So you should sell. Then because you have another chance to earn money back, okay? So this is the 3 principles in stock market. The next one, the highest level in stocks. The first one, let profit run in the uptrend while avoid risk in the downtrend. So we should operate stocks in the uptrend and cannot buy stocks in the downtrend. This is important, okay? Businessman's principle, because if the economy is good, maybe we can earn some good money, right? But if the economy is not good, we cannot earn money. We should change to another one. We should find another way. We should change the ways. We should change our thought. Then one, buy low, at the low point. But how if you see the share continue to go up, you have another you don't have chance to buy. Then you should find the good chance to buy. If you see the price starts to adjust, maybe you have another chance to buy. So you should buy at low point, cannot buy at top. Do not buy at top to avoid be locked. So if you every day you buy at top point, buy at high point, you will be locked. Okay. Then the last one, sell quickly once earn profit, no greedy. So you should sell quickly once you earn some profit. Why so many investors will lose money? Always lose money in the stock market, because if you earn some profit, we want to earn more, right? Then if we want to earn more, we will lose more. So you should know, sell quickly once earn profit, not greedy.
1 and 4 contradicts.
1 and 4 contradict. Yes, sure. Then you see. I hope you can remember these important things, because maybe this is not practical, but this is our mindset, okay? So this is our principle. Then we can.
I have problem with letting it run and then sell. I'm always
Yeah.
waiting
Oh,
to let
I
it
know.
run or to take
I know,
profit.
understand. Okay, so because the first one, if you see the profit, this is for the medium long term. If you see the trend is uptrend, you can let profit run. But if you see the trend is in the downtrend or sideways, you should sell quickly if you earn profit. Okay? So if you do short-term investment, you should sell quickly once earn profit. It's up to your plan. Okay? So the next one, real words. The first one, laymen always lose money in stocks. The next one, insiders usually make profits in stocks. Laymen would be afraid of the stock market. The real world can tell us that, can reflect that knowledge is important. Methods are important, okay? So if you are insider, you can earn money from the layman, right? Then if you don't learn some method, you don't have the knowledge, so you will lose money easily in the stock market. So I hope you can grasp this all. So let's see this one. Because just now we talk about the homely, right? The software. So let's review it, and I hope you can remember and do not forget. Maybe we learned so many courses, right? Every week we attend our course, and if we learn this method, we will forget the previous method. So today we learned we should remember the first point. Pie will not fall in your hands. No pains, no gains. Make money easily, stocks will not become reality. So therefore, we need to learn some knowledge in stock market, okay? This one, we talk about how to use time and space to judge the market. You also can judge your individual stocks. Then this is the Singapore market. How to use this function to find some high volume stock, the active stocks. Then you can find some strong stocks. And the next one, why investors lose money in stocks? Because we don't have the good method, we do not have tool. Then we cannot keep good mindset. The next one, the reasons, earn fast money. So this is the present way. Then This is the last one. If we operate stocks like this, we always lose money. So which means that if you operate the stocks in the downtrend, if you want to earn some profit, short-term profit, you should set stop loss point. Then 3 rules in stocks: index first, stock next, long-term first, short-term next, and operate familiar. Then the next one, if you buy the stocks in the uptrend, you can earn money. But if you operate stocks during sideways, then you will lose time, waste the time. Then if you buy stocks in the downtrend, you will lose money. This is the winner strategy in stocks. So trend is very important for us. We can see next one. Distinguish different bottom of 3 trends. Okay. The first one, 3 bottoms: round bottom, market bottom, and retrace bottom. So if you see the price, the pattern like this, you can buy here. The price is from downtrend to sideways. When you see the price upward break through the sideways area and high volume, it's the buy point. Then we can see next one. If you see this is the downtrend, you should sell point. You should sell. You should catch the sell point because each rebounds at the sell point. Okay. So we see if the trend is in the uptrend, so we should catch the buy point because the rising space is large. Then this one is for the horizontal area, horizontal directions. So if you see this one is horizontal, you should buy when the price touch the support, sell when the price touch the resistance. Okay. Then we learned the trend expert how to judge the sell point and the buy point, how to judge the trend. The main line green and purple stand for the medium-term trend. Purple line is up, the uptrend. Green line is down, the downtrend. Tau candlestick means the short-term trend. Red candlestick, short-term uptrend. Green candlestick, short-term downtrend. Okay. Then the trend expert can judge the price trends. So if you see the trend is the medium-term trend is uptrend, we should catch the buy point. When you see the green turn to the red candlestick, it's the buy point. The purple line represents uptrend and it is buy point when green candlestick turn to red candlestick above the purple line. So when you see the trend is good, green turn to the purple, green turn to the red Dow candlestick is the buy point. The next one, we see the trading system. We should know future. If we filter, we should buy stocks. Then if you hold stocks, we should think how to sell, when to sell, okay? Then how to choose the stocks with the bankers. Then red climb of multicolor dragon increase, which means the price keep going up because they have 3 colors. Then we can see they have 1, 2, this is the purple line, right? The pink line and the green line. So now we learn only the 3 colors. Then maybe next time we can talk about how to combine with the 3 lines. Okay. So this one is multicolor dragon. The red stands for the we see this one. The red climb of multicolor dragon increases, which means the price keep going up. This one, red climb body, reaches over 25%, which means the bankers have built their positions already. Okay, so the red climb stands for the institutional investors, record bank money. The yellow color stands for the hot money, buy and sell frequently like day trader. The green color stands for the retailers. Okay, so we should follow the bank money inside. Then we see how to buy at the bottom. The buy point. The daily trend turns upward at the bottom. The trend expert main line becomes red color and the main line goes up. Smart money, profitable trades over 25% and can be profitable to buy. Okay, so if you see that your stocks are satisfied with the three conditions, you can buy, catch the buy point. Then we learned how to pick bull stocks. So first one, you should click the filter platform. Click expert. Click climb green turn to red. The next one, multicolor dragon. Profit strips more than and equal to 25. So we can filter some stocks. Then we learned the 3 principles in stock market to know the buy point. So trend is important. The next one, have a plan to trade stocks, long term and short term. So if you want to do long term, then you can do long term. If you want to do short term or medium term, it's up to our decision. So we should set the plan. The last one, adjust your position. You should set stop loss point when you operate or when you do trading. Then the highest level in stocks, let profits run and buy low, sell high, and do not buy at top and sell quickly once earn profit. Okay, so this is the method and real words. Layman always, so we should become the insiders, because if we are insiders, we can earn good profit. But if we are not insiders, we always lose money. Okay, so I hope you can remember this one.
That's how you say long term, right? How do you identify stock that is for long term?
Then you can check by the multicolor dragon or the trend. If the trend is uptrend for medium term, you can keep for medium term. Okay. Then if you see the trend is in the downtrend or sideways, so you keep for short term. Then this is the filter one. Firstly, you click. Okay. Then firstly, we should click filter platform. Then click 8 experts. Clan green to red. Then logical filter, change the original indicator to multicolor dragon and change the logical relation to more than and equal. Then click value, change the value to 25. Then click add. Then we can filter. Then we can filter some stocks by this method. Okay. So what does Hominican offer you? The knowledge. In the past 18 years, we conclude those practical essentials from the market. The tool, hear the real voice. The attitude, to practice yourself to profit well in the stock market. So this is the Hominican can offer you. If you are a member, you should learn. You should use the software very well. You should keep the good mindset. Then I think you can earn some good profit. Okay. So this is today's course, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Then I can solve your problems. So maybe for the next English class, because I will change to the new topic and I will talk about the new one, and I hope maybe some members cannot understand Chinese, right? So maybe I will teach some translate. Then I hope you can understand better. Okay, so this is today's course about how to make huge profit, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Then this is my number. So if you have any question, we can discuss. Okay, so thank you for attending today's class. Thank you so much.